guys, today we're shooting a 115-year-old C96 broom handle. First time shooting it, so let's see how I do. I wasn't expecting that.
It's got a bit of power, doesn't it?
I don't know where I'm shooting, if I'm honest.
You hit it?
There we go.
Good shooting. Once you find your target, that's it.
There we go. It's out.
What do you think?
That was the first one, caught me off guard, but that was, it had a lot more power than I'm used to, but that
Yeah.
was great.
It's got some power to it.
But once I found the target, we're on it. Yeah.